Greetings, Starship Equinox crew. This is your captain, and I'm here to show you how to wrap up your investigation so we can finally get to the bottom of this missing colonists mystery. We have got to find out what happened to them. So on your science classroom, we're going to view the instructions for assignment 37. And let's open up the photos. So I'm going to put my photos where I can see them. And remember, if you happen to see the band picture and Martine, say hi to Martine, just click on the arrow here to show the most current videos and pictures first. So I do have a lot of other stuff in here, but let's make sure each team gets at least one picture and at least one video. So let's say I'm going to use this picture here. If you click on the download button and it doesn't work, you can always just type snip and get your snipping tool or the snip and sketch. Click on new and then just get what you want. As a matter of fact, if I just wanted part of the picture, let's say I just want the ball in mid-air, I can do that and then put ball in mid-air to show its maybe its maximum potential energy as it's reaching the top of its arc right before it starts to fall, when it's motionless for that split second. So that's how you get pictures. But this video is mostly to discuss how to get a video. All right, so let's pick one of these. And, ooh, no, that one's not robotics. I was going to use the one where Keegan was making the flour into the soft, powdery stuff. But let's go with this one. All right, so you've got your video, right? You're looking at it. Again, if you click on download to download it and then upload it, first of all, skip that step. There's a quicker way. Right next to it is add shortcut to drive with that plus there. Click on that. And let's go to all locations on your Google Drive. Double click my drive. By the way, if you haven't paused me and done this, pause me now. And then come back here and watch the next step. Pause me and do. You got to watch, pause, do, repeat. Watch, pause, do. If you do not already have a videos folder, when you click on my drive, double click on it, you will unlock or open up the new folder icon, in which case you can make a new folder called videos. But I already have one, so I'm going to double click on it. There's all my videos. And I'm going to add number 5550. Okay, so I've added it. I'm done. I'm good. And I can just double check here. Now, Google Drive has changed. Your home kind of shows you your most recent stuff. But if you want to see everything, you have to click on My Drive to see all your folders and all your documents. But now I'm going to go to my Google sites, sites.google.com. And if you use the template I created for 6th graders, you'll have under Science, the Robotics. If you created your own, you're going to have to make your own subpage, which is really simple. If you go to Pages, you can go to Home and then click on Add Subpage, and you can call it Science. And then under Science, you click on the 3 dots and add a subpage called Robotics. And then, boom, you're at Robotics. But now we're going to insert the video. So I'm going to make sure I'm on Insert, Drive. See that drive icon? And I'm going to go to Recent, because that's where my video 5550 shows. And then I will click on Insert. Oh, let me move my face. See the insert right here? Boom, insert that. Now, once you've inserted your video, remember you can click and drag to make it whatever size you want. And notice how it's, oh, that's not good, right? So I'm going to Control Z to undo that. The way you fix that is hold down the Shift key, keep it held down, and then look at this. It keeps the ratio of length to width so that it doesn't look weird. And then don't forget to add a text describing your video for your viewers. Always good to have a caption, and you can put the caption on the side here, or you can drag that and put it, see the dots there? That's when you can drag, you can, hold on, come back. Put it right under there, and there. That's gonna look really good. And you can move your video so it's more centered. Boom, this is gonna look great. So that's how you put a video on there. And then since I took a screenshot of the picture, I can go to Images, Upload, Ball in Midair, boom, there that is. And of course, don't forget to caption it. Text, and I double clicked to bring up that circle, if you recall. Caption all your images and videos so people don't have to guess and wonder. And then the last thing that I shared was Landon's idea, which was really good. And I'm going to delete this just to show it again. This is your document that you're working on. And you have to finish this document first anyway. So let's say you've got your company name, Starship Robotics, and my team members just Test. And you could put last initial. Somebody asked that. That was good. Okay. And then just make sure you've got everything filled in. So our robot will deliver water. Okay. And you should already have all your definitions for these words. You should already have your answer to what you can do to increase the potential energy of a system. And you should already have your answer for how you can increase kinetic energy. And then you probably started with 100%, most people did, and then maybe went down to like 50. I think a lot of your projects went down to 50. And then list your partner's job. Test O, did everything, boom. But that way you can take responsibility for your part in the project and give yourself credit while acknowledging what your team members did. And you should have your numbers here, and just remember to check that you've got your height in meters. If it was 9 centimeters, it should be 0.09 meters. Now, if it was 90 centimeters really does equal 0.9 meters. But 9 centimeters equals 0.09 meters. All right? See the difference there? There's a big difference. 9/100th of a meter is 9 centimeters. 9/10ths of a meter is 90 centimeters. So that's almost a full meter long. And then your mass, if you measured something, like just a knife, the butter knife, that would be 9 grams. And your velocity, a lot of you got like really fast velocity because your motor was just cutting things really fast. And it probably only went like 0.06 meters divided by half a second or something. And that's going to be your velocity. 0.06 divided by 0.5. And you can even figure it out by doing 0.06 divided by 0.5 seconds. Boom. And you get 1/1200ths of a meter per second. So I'm going to write that, which equals 0.12 or 1/1200 meter per second. And this is what you will input into your Magic Student bot if you haven't done it yet. And it's going to ask you, when you use the potential and kinetic energy calculator, you generate it. It's going to ask you everything. So feel free to read it carefully and give it the right information it's asking for. And then you'll write your answers right in here. Okay. Calculate the potential and kinetic energy. So you're going to have a starting potential energy, ending potential energy, and kinetic energy in this box. Okay. And then for this one down here, get rid of that graph like I showed you in class and just answer this question. Okay. And if you have any questions about what you just saw in this video, pause me and go get the real me, the current me, and ask me. But then here's what you do. I'm just going to do Control A, and I selected everything, and Control C. Then I'm going to go to my portfolio, find the spot where I want to put that. So I'm going to double click for text. Ooh, let's see how this works. Oh, there. Yeah, sure. Why not there? Make it big, and then Control V. Boom. And I'm going to stretch it out so it fits the whole page. And now you've got your text there. That was better than my idea of insert it right from your Google Doc. I mean, they both work. They both have their pros and cons. You can do it that way or this way. But this should really explain and show everything you learned. All right. So here's your last bit of information. Click on Publish. Publish. Drop down menu here. View Published Site. Remember, you should be pausing and doing. And this is the link I want. Remember the difference. Gobbledygook. And some words. So I'm going to highlight, Control C. Go back here. And I'm just going to add it here. I'm going to add a link so I can submit all my stuff. Okay, I'm going to turn in, but there's 2 more things I need you to do and check. Otherwise, your website won't show correctly. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive. I'm going to click on Videos. And I'm going to make sure that 5550, that video I just put in there, I check and make sure the share information is set to anyone with the link viewer. Because that's what it says right here. Set anyone with the link to view. So this right here tells me, this right here, that people will be able to watch the video on my page. And then last but not least, see how it says your access has expired? That's not cool. This is why it's probably best to copy and paste it into your portfolio. So I take it back. Don't click on Drive and insert it that way, because once you turn in the assignment, it's going to remove your access and make it so nobody can see it anyway. All right. So this is the end of the video. By now, you should have turned in this assignment with the link to your portfolio page fully complete with everything it says here. Read through this. Again, if you see words, read them and make sure you've got it all done and your document is complete. And that is how you finish this project. All right. See you on the other side.